glad to see you in our events, and we want to ask you some questions.
Okay.
What is your name?
Paul Connor.
So where are you from?
So I study in New York, but I'm from San Antonio, Texas.
What do you think about our event? Did you like it?
Yeah, I liked it. It was really fun. I learned a lot about Kazakh dancing, Kazakh culture, some of the games. So overall, and the food was really good too. Thank you for making the food.
So what was your favorite one about food?
I really liked Barsak. Barsak?
Yeah, Barsak.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
Do you think that it tastes like a donut if it was a little bit sweet?
I think so, yeah. It's got kind of the same texture.
Like, did you learn something new except like dance or something else? Like there was a presentation about culture.
Yeah, I mean, I think I did. I keep hearing a lot about it, but it's really interesting. The emphasis on like the nomad culture and your history is really impressive.
Yeah. Also, why Kazakhstan? Like, why did you choose this country and not other?
Well, this is the best country to learn Russian in right now.